first thing that goes in is this little adapter that is a male threaded 1.5 inch piece of fitting. Then we cut a piece to get above this bar. Now we're going to glue it. This glue sets up in a matter of seconds. So push it in, give it a little twist, keep some pressure on it because it tries to back up out of there. Can you see it? Cool. Okay, next we're going to put on a check valve, and a check valve allows water to only flow one way. So in other words, when the pump kicks it on, this comes up, and inside, it's kind of hard to see, I won't see that, there's a little valve in there that keeps the water from coming back and spinning the impeller the wrong way and burning out the pump. We've loosened up this clamp. Real important note, if you can see that, there's little arrows that show you which way the water goes. Make sure that they're pointing up. Now we're going to hook it up. We use a drill with a 5/16 inch bit. Makes it simple. Tighten it up. That's good. Okay, next we cored a hole right through this brick with our diamond bladed core bit. And what we're going to do is we're going to put a 90-degree turn on there because we're plumbing this around and down into the sump pit. We've already pushed it through the wall. Remember, this glue sets up in a matter of seconds. So put it on, give it a little twist, and it's done. It doesn't matter at this point which way it's pointing because we're going clear through the wall. It's going to be right up against the wall. You can see that. And our pipe's going to come across, over, and down to our sump pump. Okay, here you have it. We've got a sump pump installed with the lid on. We've got the discharge line which comes up, goes over to the wall, across the wall, and goes through our core to the outside. Now we're going to cover this whole area with gravel, and of course put some gravel down along the outside of the pit and allow that water to get into the pit so it can be carried away.